Are you sitting at your desk right now with your neck feeling really stiff? Your shoulders are hurting, your back is hurting, and you're like, OMG, I am in pain. I just feel all stiff and achy. Well, this is gonna be a super short yoga practice to help you to relieve tension in your neck, in your shoulders, and in your back that you can do sitting down, you can do in your office, you can do at your desk. No sweating, just nice gentle stretches for the neck, shoulders, and back. So let's get started. In case you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karin Yoga Life, and I'm a certified yoga teacher and wellness coach. And I always forget, if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. All right, so the first thing is we're gonna be sitting on the edge of your chair or the front half of the chair, sitting up nice and tall. You want your feet flat on the floor, more or less, but we're really working on the upper body today. But you wanna feel nice and stable, nice, long, straight back. We're gonna start with the head and the neck to relieve some of this tension and stiffness, starting from the neck and working down. All right, so first thing, we're gonna pull the belly in, sit up tall, relax the shoulders, and we're gonna inhale, just look up to the ceiling. So chin up to the ceiling, exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, looking up, exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, chin to ceiling, just move within your range of motion. Exhale, chin to chest. One last time, slowly stretching the neck. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, chin to chest. And coming back to center. All right, from here, inhale, looking over to your left, so the chin over to the left shoulder. Exhale, looking to the right, chin over to the right shoulder. So inhale, looking left. Exhale, looking right. One more. Inhale, look left. Exhale, look right. Come back to center. All right, from here, we're just gonna make circles. Imagine your nose is a crayon and you're circling your head around. You can start with a small circle. And if this doesn't feel good on your neck, please don't do it. If it feels good, you can make the circle a little bigger. If you start to feel dizzy, please stop. We're just moving the muscles of the neck to release tension in the neck. Come back to center, stop for a second, and then you're gonna circle the other way. So circle the nose in the other direction. So we're bringing movement to our neck. And we know that movement is medicine, relieving tension, relieving stress, loosening up the muscles. Again, doesn't feel good, just skip it. All right, we're back to center. So we're gonna inhale here. And on your exhale, just let your ear move down towards your shoulder. So we're tilting the head. You could start to the left, you're just tilting your head, and you want to feel a nice stretch somewhere along the side of the neck, so somewhere around here. Hopefully that feels good. And if you want to add a little bit more to it, you can bring your hand up on top of the head and just gently coax it down. We're not pulling, we're just gently coaxing. You can also use your other hand to hold on to the chair. And hopefully you feel a nice stretch along the side of the head, the neck, and you can hold this for 5 breaths, 10 breaths, at least 5, so you give the muscles a chance to loosen, lengthen. So let's stay for 2 more breaths. Again, should not hurt, should feel a nice gentle stretch. And you can change the angle if you want, taking the chin a little bit more up to the ceiling, tilting the head back, still on the same side. Again, holding as much as you like here. You can change the angle again, so moving the hand to the back of the head, taking the chin down. So whatever you need, you can move the head in different angles. And you will feel where are your sweet spots, where you need to just hang out a little longer and stay there and see how it feels. Let's stay for 2 more breaths. 1 more. And then bringing the hand beside your ear on the side of your head. Just use your hand to bring your head back to center so you're not using your muscles. And just notice if you feel a difference between both sides. I'm hoping that you do. I know I do. So now we're gonna do the other side. All right, so again, sitting up tall, inhale, bringing the other ear to your shoulder. Don't worry if it's not a big movement. And if this is enough for you, you can stay here. Or option, you can bring your hand on top of the head. Oops, wrong hand. This way, we're just using the hand to coax our ear down. You could hold on to the chair. And we're staying here, 5 breaths. Just gently stretching the neck, stretching the shoulders. See how this feels. Hopefully feels yummy. Please let me know in the comments if it feels yummy for you. Again, discomfort, pain, please come out of it. And again, you can change the angle so you can kind of move your hand, take your chin up to the ceiling. You kind of have to explore this for yourself to see how it feels. Just changing the angle of your head. Please move slowly, mindfully, no jerky movements. The neck is a fragile part of the body, so we want to take time with our neck, take time with ourselves, as we say. So let's do 2 more breaths here. Hopefully it's feeling yummy for you. 1 more breath. Beautiful. Come back to center. Bring the hand on the side of the head and just lift the head up. So I hope you're already feeling a lot better in the head and the neck, but we're going to move down the body into the shoulders. So easy peasy. We're just taking the shoulders up to the ears and then taking the shoulders back and down, just circling them back. Inhaling, shoulders up, exhale, back and down. So we're just circling the shoulders back, getting some movement here, circling them back. Nice big movement. Circling the shoulders, releasing tension, releasing stress. Just moving the shoulders. 1 more in this direction. And then let's go forward. So moving the shoulders forward. Good. Let's do 2 more. Might feel a little awkward, but it's okay. As long as it doesn't hurt, it's okay. And then come back to center. All right, again for the shoulders. Let's bring the arms up. This is called cactus arms. Looks like a cactus, right? Looks like, or goalpost arms, they also call it. So from here, what we're gonna do, inhale. Take the elbows back. So we're stretching the front of the chest. Think about squeezing the shoulder blades together gently. And then exhale, you're bringing the forearms together, hands together, and the elbows together. So they're in line with the shoulders. Let me turn sideways so you can see here, elbows in line with the shoulders. So we're opening the chest. Inhale, take the elbows back. You want to keep them fairly high, in line with the shoulders. Exhale, bring them together. So simple. Easy. Open the elbows, take them back. Exhale, squeeze them together. If they don't touch, don't worry about it. Just move in that direction. Inhale, open. Exhale, together. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, open. Exhale, together. 1 more. Inhale, open. Exhale, together. Let's stay here. And again, if your elbows aren't touching, don't worry about it. Just do the best you can. We're staying for 1 more breath. 1 more. All right, and then just relaxing the arms, shake it out. All right, we're gonna do one more sequence and then I have a bonus pose for you, so don't run away. Can come at the end. I want you to really try it because it's like my favorite. So stick around till the end. We're almost there. Here we go. Bring your hands down by your side. We're gonna do side bends. Inhale, reach the arms up. This is for our back. Bring the left hand to hold onto the chair. Pull the belly in. Inhale, exhale, side bend to your left. Any amount. Inhale back to center. Bring the right hand down. Exhale, side bend to the other side. So don't worry about how far you're going. We're just moving. Inhale up. Exhale, side bend to your left. Inhale, center. Side bend right. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend. Stretching those big muscles on the side of our body. Inhale up. Last time to the right. Come back to center. And we're twisting to the left. So we're turning the torso to the left. Left hand on the chair. Right hand on the thigh. Gently twisting the torso, looking over your shoulder. Let's stay for a breath. Again. Doesn't feel good, keep it small, don't do it. Inhale, reach the arms back to center. Exhale, twisting to the right. Again, keep the shoulders relaxed. Looking over the right shoulder. And we're gonna move a little faster with it. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, side bend. Inhale, center. Oops, that was a twist, sorry. Exhale, twist. We're twisting, not side bending. Twisting, twisting. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Last time. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. And bring the arms down. All right, so done quite a lot. I hope you're feeling a lot better in your neck, shoulders, back. We're gonna do one more bonus pose, which is my fave. So this one requires us to get up, but we're still gonna use our chair. So we're gonna get up, move our chairs, or just stand behind your chair. Hands are on the back of the chair. So you want your hands more or less in line with the hips. So if your chair is really high, you can also use a counter, a table, your desk. You want something about the height of your hips. So you're gonna hold on to whatever it is you're using. Feet are parallel. And you're gonna walk back. You're gonna just take your time and walk back. The arms stay straight, holding on, walking back. And then you wanna see if you can get your torso to move towards the floor. Doesn't have to go all the way, but we're aiming for this L shape. Stretching out the arms. You actually might feel this in the back of the legs. Arms are straight, legs are straight. Pull the belly in. Move the torso towards the floor. Head between the arms. Let's stay for 5 breaths. 4 breaths. 3 breaths, 2 breaths, 1 breath, and then slowly take your time, walk yourself up, walk yourself back up, take your time to come up, super slow, and that is called downward dog with a chair. Really great for the shoulders, the back. I hope that one was yummy for you. I hope you liked it. Please try these poses. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if they work for you. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to stay in touch, please consider joining my mailing list and subscribing to this channel. I'll leave the link for my mailing list below. So thanks very much. I really appreciate you being here, especially watching all the way to the end. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.